Just coming up on number 11. It's of Billy Connolly and it's called Dear Connolly, I Presume. If I'm honest, I don't think it really looks like him. Natalie?
It's a good picture. It doesn't really look like Billy Connolly. It is a good picture.
We're at number 12 on the mural walk. This one is the world's most economical taxi. I really like this one. And we're using the phone so we know what they're all called. There's a great app you can use for all this. What do you think, Natalie? Do you like it?
I like it. It's like Banksy. It reminds me of Banksy.
It is very Banksy. Found this wee guy at the side of it as well. This one is huge. This is number 13, Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. Just look at the size of that.
Look at the detail. Even in her hair, she's got so much detail.
Aye. Detail in this one is really, really good. Number 14 on the list, Wind Power. Number 15 is the Glasgow Panda. He is cool. I like him. It looks like number 16 is unfortunately behind all of this. It was pretty cool, but unfortunately we can't see it today. We're going to see if we can go around the side here and see. There's a wee shop that's got some good stuff on it. We'll see if we can see it. Cracking wee barber shop. Number 17, the gallery. We've got the real Mona Lisa here in Glasgow, and she's holding an iron brew can. Just follows round the corner here, a couple of wee bits as well.
Salvador Dali melting clocks. And the scream.
We get these scream guy as well.
That is actually the scream painting, but it was scream.
Number 18 is the swimmer. This is a cracker. This is another very large one. So number 20, Charing Cross Birds, and number 19, Glasgow Alligator, are just basically right next to each other. This alligator is really good, man. It like bends round this corner here.
It's huge.
That is pretty huge. We're just coming into number 21, Shadow Hand Puppets. They're actually on both sides here, so we'll do the right hand side first.
That's fun.
I know, the wee bunny. Quite like this dog.
I love these gloves.
The gloves are cool actually. And then we'll just go round the other side.
That's probably the only one I could do.
I don't even think I could do that. That wee cat?
There's like a little cat, yeah.
Or a squirrel actually.
Maybe a squirrel with a tail.
Number 22, the musician. He is a cool looking dude.
It looks a bit like Simon Pegg.
He actually does look like Simon Pegg.
Oh yeah, so that's us finished the mural walk. It was a lot of fun. We really enjoyed it. It has been a few hours. We started at 6:30 and it's now 9:20, so be prepared for a lot of walking. We did start really early because there's less traffic and less people. You don't obviously have to do that, but we just wanted to kind of get better views of the murals themselves with less people and less traffic, avoiding Glasgow because it is a city centre, so it's quite busy.
Yeah, we done it on a Sunday today, so we like to do things on a Sunday because it's free parking up here on the streets. But I basically come up, do it yourself, see what you think, leave a couple of comments on what was your favourite ones. Mine was definitely, I think it's called St Mungo.
Yeah, the one with the robin.
Yeah, the guy with the robin, he's definitely my favourite. What about yourself?
I really like the residents of Glasgow with all the animals, and the space one with the Glasgow, the Strathclyde University with the satellites on them.
Yeah, that one was pretty cool. And well, that's us basically.
Yep, there's an official app you can use on your phone and a website for the mural walk. I'll put the link below so you can get the map and do it yourself, so just check that out.
Yeah, it's really good actually. That's what we were using today. Basically it shows you on the map where you are and where all the murals are. We never actually done the murals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that way. We done it sort of started in the middle, and I would highly recommend that. Start in the middle and sort of work your way back. But that's us. We're basically away now, and thanks very much for watching. Hope you had fun. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.